Let's do this backtesting. We'll go to 8 May. Right, daily. Also put jammer mehr. Hey man, goedenavond. Goedenavond. Hey man, wanneer komt je YouTube video online? Ik heb een bootcamp, die komt er echt binnenkort aan man. Dus binnen nu en een weekje is die online. Super nuttig man. Oké. Let's do backtesting guys. So, I'm gonna move to the New York session. Alright. So we are at 1 May 25, opening the New York sessions, and I'm just gonna mark out the levels that I really like to see. So this right here is a key level for me, and this one right here is a key level for me. Alright, so this can be already looking very good for buy positions actually, but we do not want to trade this just because of this one right here. So we're just still waiting. Alright, so what is gold creating here? We kind of break this high, so this is now for me the liquidity. So the liquidity got taken out here, and what I want to see is bearish candles right now. But we do also have a lot of wicks on the downside. Again, liquidity. And this is what I want to get in my sell position actually. This can be a very beautiful trade. It's still very risky because this is also liquidity. Wanneer C swappen? Wat is C? Laten we kijken man. Kan ook stop-loss zitten. Oh, super mooi trade. Break even. Running 60 pips, and I think also closing at 60 pips. Yeah, I might close this with 60 pips already. Looking very good. Alright, beautiful. Beautiful trade. Let's go to the next day. Right. Let's see and move to the next day. New York session open. What do we see? We see respecting zones here. Right? Respected level, respected level. So what I kind of want to see is that I am bullish for the day, but we have to be careful about these liquidity grabs that can push to the downside and then go to the upside. Because there is still a lot of liquidity here to grab. This right here is a lot of liquidity here, so it can fake us out. We're gonna watch the 15 and look how it's closing. So again, this can be a liquidity. We kind of did grab this liquidity here. Right, everyone's stop losses here, getting out. Now we want to see bullish candles. That's the only thing we want to see. So the next candle already just closed instantly to the upside. If I go to the 5-minute, this is already looking a very good buy position for me. But what I also want to see is I want to see some retesting to this level here. I need to see a retest on this area. So let's see this next 5-minute candle. All right, perfectly actually. Yeah, this is already looking very good for me. Just waiting for the next 5, and this is the trade where I actually will enter. I'm gonna take this long position, get my stop loss above this high, move my stop loss underneath. 30 pips stop loss. This is a very beautiful trade. It can either hit my stop loss immediately with some wicks, or it can also just hit my TP. Because what we actually do see here is this is the 5-minute. So what we do see is we see trend continuing going to the upside, right? We see the trend to the upside. After that, came back to this level, retest a lot of levels here. Everyone's levels got retested here and also got stopped out. Alright, so liquidity grabbed, came back to this price, and now this is the place where we want to enter. This right here. Let's go to the next 5, and we got our stop loss hit. So let's go forward and where this market actually wants to go. It's still creating these bearish candles, so it might have been retest this area, because again we just hit our stop loss, which is minus 30 pips. So I will write this down. 30 pips loss. All right. But this trade was beautiful. Why was it good? Trend continuing. Trend continuation. Came back to this level. Broke this low. Liquidity. Grabbed everyone's money here because a lot of people have their stop losses underneath this here, underneath this one here. So liquidity got grabbed. So at the long term, gold is still just very bullish here. We know that gold's bullish in the higher time frames, but let's see where price goes. So the New York session got out, and we have to go to the next day, which will be 2 more. All right. So what do we see here? We see price continuation. We see that there's liquidity here. Everyone, this beautiful price action area is very beautiful. Clean traffic to the downside. Again, clean traffic to the upside. So this area here is called a very clean area where price moves a lot of where price moves very high and very slow. So at the 30 minutes we are currently at this resistance level. So now we have to watch carefully if this is a liquidity grab or not. Let's see. All right. This right here is a very beautiful example of a liquidity, but we still just don't know if this is liquidity because it can just also fly crazy to the upside. Going to the 30 minutes, we see that this body actually closed above these wicks, so this can be still very bullish, but it also can be a liquidity grab because of this high here. Right, the liquidity got grabbed here, moved like almost 30 pips to the upside. Let's see. Next one. All right, beautiful. All right, this one is pretty good. We need to get out of this wicks here, which is very risky. This is actually a beautiful entry for us to get in sell positions, but this is not in the New York session. I mean, this is not in the London session, so we get out. Let's see what price actually does. Again, that is why we don't trade if the London closes. If we got in a trade, we will hit our stop loss. Guys, I actually have to go, so I will try to do every Sunday some backtesting. I'm gonna give you guys one more trade. Just wait. Go to the next one. All right. New York came in. Beautiful. Retesting this level twice. This one here is a retest, this one here is a retest, so we can try to look for buy positions here, but I want to see this 5 closing closing bullish. Yeah, so again, getting these liquidity again on these lows. Let's see if price moves to the upside from here. All right, beautiful, beautiful. Again, liquidity, but we waited. Again, we just wait for the 15. This is the 5-minute time frame, but we just wait. Let's see this 15 here. Yeah, this is looking beautiful. So we already know that the next 5-minute candle is bullish, so we have to go forward. And I think that we can look for buy positions here. Yeah, this is already looking good. Let's get liquidity out. This can be a beautiful trade. We actually missed the trade, but let's see. Alright, so many pips? 40 pips profit. Move stop loss to break even. Take profit hits. Guys, next Sunday I will be backtesting again. I have to go. That's why I have to close this stream out. It only took 15 minutes. I will do every Sunday. I will do some backtesting with you guys. Tomorrow it's finally on. We can finally get to the markets again and get in some beautiful trades, if there are trades, if there are beautiful setups. See you guys Monday.